You guys can be able to test this out for yourself, but let me show you how fast the new website loads. I've got a Google screen open. This is Internet Explorer 8 running on Windows 7. I'm just going to type in the address here at the top. And I want you guys to see how fast this loads. Ready? I'm hitting enter right now. And there it is. You'll find a link in the page I sent you there. You could try this out for yourself.
Okay guys, let me show you a lot of the great features. Let me introduce you to the new 360 Painting franchisee subsite. As you can see, the design of the site is completely different now, and it offers a lot more features. Number one being the fact that it's extremely fast to load onto the internet. It's browser compatible with pretty much any kind of browser, being Internet Explorer, Safari with Apple, Firefox with Mozilla. From the top, we've got lighted buttons, so as you drag your mouse across it, the buttons light up. You'll also notice this large sliding banner here. This allows us to put pretty much any picture we want to with its own title, and it has a random slide feature, which is a very eye-catching feature. Right now we're focusing on 4 different pictures. It allows us to do 6 at a time, and there's even controls down here to allow the customer to pause, stop, and play on any of the pictures. So this could also represent coupons. This could be all text to represent something that you want to talk about inside your website, like a special or promotion or another page or product. At the top here, we're featuring the text of your area. This is all search engine friendly information, including the phone number. This information shows up on every single page, and you'll have control over this. If we scroll down here, a couple new features of the site. We have a second menu that's written in text on the left-hand side here to allow the customers to drill down as well. On the left-hand side, we're also featuring a box called Recent Testimonials, which can be customized. Every time a customer clicks on Read More, it will take them to the Testimonials page where they could read more of the testimonials. Down here at the very bottom is a new component called the Latest News. Now, instead of latest news being news articles that's been pulled from, say, the corporate site, on the subsite, every time you add a page inside your new website, which could be an article about a product or could be a new testimonial, it's pretty much anything you add into the site is considered latest news, and it will show up automatically in this list here with a link to that particular page or that particular article. On the right side here, you'll notice a new box we call the Quick Contact. It's just asking for name, postal code, phone, email. Postal code, because this is a demo for a Canada website. For the US sites, it will say zip code. But this is also on every page of the website, so it's giving the customer the opportunity at any page in the site, they can decide to make that decision to have somebody contact them, so they can leave their name, postal code. Now, by putting in their zip code inside this area here, this website automatically syncs up to your new lead program, which is the DreamWrite franchise platform, and will keep track of your leads that way. Underneath that is another new feature we call the Quick Poll, where you can ask any kind of question with any kind of answers that are available here to you. So you can have multiple polls. A customer has the ability to read this and give an answer, such as if I wanted to vote for our demo question here, which when choosing a painter, which is most important. If it's the lowest cost of service, I may click that, click vote, and it's taken me to a voting page where it either tells me I've voted today or it shows the results of that poll there. So it gives the client something to do when they come to your website, just something fun. And you may be able to use this information to your advantage in your sales process. Now, let's take a look at some of the other sites here. You can see how fast this site is every time I click it. This sliding banner can be showcased on every single page of the site, or it can be turned off and on certain pages if you want it to. You'll notice that the text goes here in the middle, and this can be changed. It can have different colors. Bullet points. Of course, there's a picture of Steve Dixon here that can be added. Under the Our Customers, this represents our testimonials page, which links the side box to this particular page. We've also created a new page that you might want to be interested in called the Resources. This page could be an article page. Anytime you write a new article inside your website, it's stored on this page. Customers can then click and read different articles about products. For example, here we're using it as help with colors, and we've got 2 or 3 different paint manufacturers to where their color visualizer will open up if you click on the link. Something else that's new for the website is articles can have little buttons right here on the side, such as print, email to a friend, or PDF, where the customer can click a button and make a PDF page of your web page and be able to print it out as well. So these are all options that you could give somebody with your new website. Now, the contact page is slightly different. Now, because we've got the quick contact here, at any time somebody can fill that out and it becomes a new lead for you. We can do other things on the contact page by putting your location, having something like a map here. Again, putting your picture there and outlining the fact that you're an owner. But these pages are completely customizable. This is a brand new content management platform. It's different than the one we're using now, which makes it faster. And all this content is completely search engine friendly. Anytime you write something now, it's a lot easier. At the very top, you'll notice that the URL is even friendlier. This will say your site. For example, right now it says 360beta.dreamwrite.com. If this was the Jacksonville site, it would say jacksonville.360painting.com, and then / the name of the page that you're on. So as you drill down, the URLs even at the top are search engine friendly. So this is another advantage of going to this new platform here.